Hey guys, this is Jordan with Jordan's Outdoors, and we're bringing the outdoors indoors. And today what we got on our plate is some deer steaks, and we're actually going to make deer jalapenos wrapped with bacon. And it's gonna be so good. So what we're first gonna start doing is making up our marinade and chopping these little steaks up into some cubes so we can put in the jalapenos. So now that we got the steak all chopped up, we're going to put it in this bowl right here. Put her down, put this in the sink. And then we're going to take some of this Slap Your Mama, because it is really good. It goes good with like crawfish, seafood, meat, anything that you want on. Tastes great. So we're gonna just put a good amount on there, not too much, but we're just gonna switch that around real quick. And now we are going to put it in our marinade. So first we're gonna add some soy sauce. We got like a couple teaspoons in here, tablespoons, and then some Worcestershire sauce, some brown sugar, like that. And then we got some Dijon mustard. Scoop that in there. Smells good. So I'm just gonna kind of stir that around. Make sure the meat gets a nice healthy dose of awesomeness in there. So now that we got all the meat and the marinade, we wrapped it with some plastic wrap, and we're gonna put it in the fridge for the better half of the day. So now that we've let the meat marinate for about 2 or 3 hours, we're going to take these jalapenos right here, and we're gonna slice them in half like this. And after that, we already have the oven preheating to 350, so we can put the jalapeno poppers in there. So now that we're on the last pepper, we are going to just get all the seeds out. We're going to rinse these peppers off so we can prepare them to be wrapped. So we're just going to take these, rinse them with some water, get all the seeds off, and then we're going to start with our bacon, cream cheese, and deer process. Broke our cream cheese up into pieces, and we're just going to be putting a couple pieces in there and laying a piece of deer meat across it, and then grabbing our bacon right here, and we're just gonna just wrap this jalapeno popper in it, like so. Alright guys, so now since we got the jalapeno poppers done, we're gonna do half in the barbecue and we're gonna have half in the oven. So slap her in there. Alrighty, and we will show you the ending result. So they're doing pretty good. They just need a couple more minutes and they should be done. But yeah, I love the smell. Nice, pretty day. We got peanut right here, crawfish, and these should taste pretty great. My wife went to go check on the other ones in the oven, so excited to try these guys. Hey guys, so now we are finally done with these jalapeno poppers, and oh my goodness, they freaking smell so good, and they look even more amazing. So we have the barbecued ones on this side of the tray, and we have the broiled ones on this side, and they both look so good. I actually got the opportunity to try some of the meat on the barbecued one just because they fell apart, and it was so good. So I'm so excited to try these out, and see you guys next time.